Identifying and resolving construction issues early on prevents costly rework downstream, but tracking down models and communicating issues with project stakeholders can be needlessly manual and time-consuming. With model coordination in Autodesk BIM Collaborate, simple automation allows BIM managers, architects, and engineers to quickly access the information they need to improve the quality of their models, organized in a common data environment. Let's take a look at how project teams are working together in one place to deliver better construction content to the field. Project teams are reducing costs and improving the schedule with quick access to the information they need to get the job done. Upfront communication tools help teams resolve issues before they hit the site. Autodesk BIM Collaborate makes it easy for BIM managers, architects, and engineers to contribute to coordination using automatic clash detection and issue management in the tools they use every day.